How to cultivate and plant Indian Putsa or apples for beginners to be fruitful fast. Putsa or apple Indian, known as Tisophyes moraceae lam, is one of India's fruiting plant species that has unripe tomato-like fruit but tastes sweet, crispy like apples, small in size about 5 centimeters. Indian apple plants can grow in various conditions. In Indonesia, Indian Putsa or apple plant is difficult to obtain. If there is a very high price, can reach 100,000 per seedlings. Here's a complete guide on how to cultivate and plant Indian Putsa or apples for beginners to be fruitful fast. 1. Selection of Indian seeds or apples. Because the quality of the seeds will determine the fruits produced, then choose seeds of good quality, healthy, free of pests and diseases, has a healthy green leaves, stems firm and shady. 2. Plant preparation Putsa or Indian apples. The land to be used for planting is first cleared of weeds or other pests. After that, make a planting hole measuring 50 cm times 50 cm by 50 cm. In addition, prepare also a mixture of soil, compost or compost fertilizer that has been cooked, and also chaff to close the planting hole later. Planting hole and also a mixture of soil, compost or manure and compost was silenced for 2 to 3 days for toxic gas in the soil is lost. Mixture of planting media in the form of soil, compost or manure and husk, is left in the shade or can also be covered with plastic. 3. How to plant a Putsa or apple apples. If everything is ready, immediately do the planting. Remove the polybags on the seedlings carefully so as not to damage the roots and media, and then input the seeds in the planting hole with the position perpendicular. Then close again with the planting medium that has been made before the mixture of soil, compost or manure and husk. After that, a little solid for the seeds more robust and not easily collapsed if exposed to wind or rain water. 4. How to take care of Indian Putsa or apples. Do watering as much as 1 to 2 times a day. Using the embrat for watering can be evenly and optimally applied. Give the spikes made from bamboo blades as high as 1.5 meters, so the plants do not easily collapse. In order for nutritional needs or nutrients needed Indian or Indian apple plant is met, it needs to be fertilized. The fertilization can use organic fertilizer or chemical fertilizer mixture. Fertilization can be done regularly once every month. 5. Putsa harvest period or Indian apples. Indian fruit or apples generally can bear fruit after the age of about 1 to 2 years. Indian apple plants or Putsa can bear fruit throughout the year and produce fruit that is productive. So we are discussing about how to cultivate and plant Putsa or apple India for beginners to be fruitful fast. Hopefully the videos we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.